This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Zach Fairley. Here is your chance for one-level living with wooded views on a hill. This home has been lovingly refreshed with fresh paint, laminate flooring, new fixtures and new appliances. Split bedroom floor plan, mud room from the back door, laundry area, kitchen/dining area combo. Master west/full bath, large second bedroom, long sunroom with generous sunlight. Behind the home is the original 500 square foot house, ready to have power supply run, and would be an incredible she/he shed or workshop. Plus garage has 350 square feet of storage. Sit on the covered front porch and take in the view, with a fenced front yard with plenty of spots for gardening. For more information, review the details below or contact Zach Fairley at 865-966-1111.